So I've been getting a lot of questions from people on whether they should get the MAONO AU-PM461TR or the MAONO AU-A04. So I decided I would make a video to show you guys the differences between the two mics, and also to help you guys decide whether it's worth it to spend the extra money to get the A04. And throughout this video, I will be switching between the two microphones, and at any given time, I'll let you guys know which microphone I'm using by putting it right here in the corner. Right now, you are hearing the PM461TR. I have it right here in front of me. First, I'm going to go over the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Then we'll do a side-by-side audio comparison. And then I'll let you guys know what I think when it comes down to choosing which microphone to buy. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at the Amazon pages really quick. As you can see, the AU-PM461TR goes for $29.99 on Amazon. It comes with free shipping and also free returns. And the AU-A04 goes for $59.99 and also comes with free shipping and free returns. And I'll go ahead and leave the links to these Amazon pages down in the description of this video in case you want to check them out for yourself. And it looks like between the two microphones there is a price difference of $30. The A04 is double the price of the PM461TR, and if we look at what each of the mic setups come with, we'll see that the PM461TR is a very basic setup. It just comes with the mic, a USB cable, and the tripod desk stand. The AU-A04 comes with the mic, a shock mount, a boom arm stand, a tripod desk stand, the USB cable, a pop filter, and a wind muff. So the A04 definitely comes with a bit more than the PM461. If we take a look at the mics themselves, one of the most notable things about the A04 is that it's made out of metal, while the PM461TR is made out of plastic. The A04 is also significantly heavier than the PM461. And apart from that, the next most notable difference is that on the PM461, there is a gain knob on the front of the microphone, which is great if you want to change your input volume on the fly. While with the A04, you're going to have to go into your system preferences to adjust the input volume. One thing that both of the mics have in common is that they can both be used with a smartphone if you use an OTG adapter. I've tested both out with my iPhone XR and they both worked. I previously posted 2 videos where I show how to connect a USB microphone with a smartphone. If you're interested in watching either of those videos, I'll have the links to them down in the description of this video as well. And now that we've gone over some of the similarities and differences between these two mics, let's go ahead and do our side-by-side audio comparison. I'm going to switch from one mic to the other several times so we can get a feel for which microphone sounds better. And just really quick before we do that, if you guys like this video or if this video helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. I post new microphone reviews every Monday, so if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, you definitely want to go down there and hit that subscribe button. And let's go ahead and start with our audio comparison. With the A04, which is this microphone right here, I will switch between the desk stand and the arm stand just so you guys can hear the difference between using a desk stand and having an arm stand which holds the microphone right in front of your mouth. Let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay guys, now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the PM461TR, and we'll just go ahead and switch back and forth with the A04 a few times and try to decide which microphone sounds better. So let's go ahead and switch over to the A04 right now. So now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the A04. So for the first 2 turns, I'm going to be using the desk stand, and then for the last 2 turns, I will be using the boom arm stand. So let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and switch back over to the PM461. Okay, and now we're back over at the PM461. Can you guys hear a difference between the two microphones? Let me know down in the comments below if you can hear a difference. Let's go ahead and switch over to the A04 again. And now we're back over at the A04. Let me know if you guys could hear a difference. I know these microphones sound very similar, and we're gonna go ahead and switch back over to the PM461. And now we're back over at the PM461. I think it's actually going to be pretty tough to decide which one I like the sound of better, but let me know if you guys prefer one one over the other, let's go ahead and switch over to the A04 again. Okay, now I'm using the A04 again, but now I have it on the boom arm stand. We should be getting like a little more warmth from my voice because the microphone is so much closer to me now. Let's go ahead and switch over to the PM461TR again. And now we're back over at the PM461 for a fourth and final time. Get your last listen in so you guys could decide which one you like better. And let's go ahead and switch over to the A04 for our last time. And now we're back over at the A04 again on the boom arm stand and the pop filter. Do you think it sounds like it's worth the extra $30? Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and listen to the audio that I just recorded, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts, and I'll let you know whether I think that it's worth paying the extra $30 for the A04. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish off this video using the PM461TR, and I just gotta say I had to go back and listen to that audio a few times before I could distinguish a difference. These microphones sound very similar, very similar. The only two differences that I really heard is that the noise floor, which I gotta say is quite low, it's very low. The A04, which is this microphone on the boom arm stand, it seemed to have a slightly higher pitched noise floor, while the PM461TR seemed to have a lower pitched noise floor. Like the noise floor hums at a lower pitch. And that's not necessarily a good thing or a bad thing, it just comes down to like personal preference. And in my opinion, it doesn't really matter which one has like what pitch. And I almost feel like the PM461TR is ever so slightly more sensitive to the lower frequencies. And again, whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. I think it's just more personal preference and how you want your microphone to sound, or how you would personally want a microphone to pick up audio. Every microphone's gonna pick up audio a little bit differently. And in the end, guys, I think when it comes to deciding whether you want to get the PM461 or the A04, I think they sound so similar that your decision is going to be based off the hardware that you get. So the main thing, in my opinion, that people might be looking out for is the gain knob on the front of the PM461. That is very handy, how you can just change the gain on the fly on the front of the microphone. I don't know if you guys could hear that. I was just messing with the gain knob, but that definitely is one benefit that the PM461 has over the A04. However, the A04 does come with this boom arm stand, it comes with the wind muff, it comes with the pop filter. So considering that for another $30 you get all that stuff, I would say that's a good deal. If you don't care about the boom arm stand, I would say you could probably safely go with the PM461. However, you will probably have to buy either a wind muff or a pop filter separately if you do go with the PM461, but you can get a pop filter for probably like 10 or 15 bucks. I would probably say that a wind muff like this would probably be the better option because you could just slide it over the mic like that. With a pop filter, you don't really have anywhere to attach it on this, tripod stand. And really the only complaint that I do have about the PM461 is that it does make quite a bit of noise if you happen to touch the microphone or the stand itself or even the desk. With the A04, it does come with that shock mount, and you can actually attach that shock mount to the tripod stand, which helps reduce the noise that you get when you tap on the desk or something. So there are actually some benefits that come along with the A04, but in my opinion, if you don't really care about the boom arm stand, you're not trying to get the microphone right up in your face, I would say you're probably okay with the PM461. Just get like a wind muff for it like this, and you should probably be fine with that. And I just want to make a quick comment about this microphone in general, the PM461. Pretty much ever since I got this microphone and somebody asks me if there is a microphone that I recommend to them anywhere in the $50 and below range, I always recommend this microphone to people because I was so impressed with it. Just because for the price, it is a very impressive microphone. For $30, I think this microphone's a great value. And I just want to speak on MAONO as a company. I have tested out several MAONO microphones up until this point. They've sent me several microphones for free, and compared to other budget microphone brands out there, I just gotta say that I get the feeling that MAONO takes a lot of care in the development of their products. Check this out. Just the other day, MAONO sent me this microphone for free. Let me show you. This is it right here. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. They haven't even released this microphone to the public. You can't buy this microphone yet. And the reason that they sent it to me before releasing it is because they want me to test it out and let them know if there's anything that they should change or fix with the microphone. So they take a lot of care in the development of their products. If you are a subscriber of my channel, you've probably seen me review some other budget condenser microphones by other brands, and you can just tell that they don't take the same kind of care in their products like MAONO does. So I kind of feel like if you go with a MAONO product, you can pretty much rest assured that you're getting a quality product. That's just my opinion. I have tested out a bunch of budget microphones, and that's just been my experience. So anyways guys, just to summarize things, if you don't care about the boom arm stand or the pop filter, I think you would be fine going with the PM461. However, if you do want the boom arm stand, then I would suggest going with the A04, because if you do end up wanting to buy an arm stand separately, it's going to probably cost you around $40. So if you do want the arm stand, go with the A04. If you don't want the arm stand, I think you're fine with the PM461. So anyways guys, if you did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button. I post new microphone reviews every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.